A new study claims that a genetic variant is responsible for cheating.
Is there something in their DNA?
We tested each of you for the warrior gene.
Winning is somewhat maybe innate. You know, you have the winning gene.
Do you believe that poor people are genetically different?
Yes.
For a century or more, scholars have known that the differences among people in intelligence is largely inherited.
Males, on average, score 3.64 IQ points higher than women.
Immigration, Hispanics in particular, but also of other peoples with low IQs, will clearly have an effect of reducing the intelligence of the host populations that have to absorb these people.
You see where this takes us in some very, very dangerous directions. Biologically determined politics.
Every century, every decade, every year, you've got to contest this thing.
There's a strong belief that the differences in society, those who are poor, those who are rich, those who are smart, everything is in the genes.
How far are we from discovering the genetic causes of human nature?
Very close. What it's going to do is to blow apart a lot of the egalitarian dogma.
You have a kind of prevailing belief amongst the ruling elite in social Darwinism.
I thought we had killed this kind of stuff off, and yet here it comes back out of the grave, dressed up in scientific garb.
If you believe that someone's ability to do well as a captain of industry and someone doing poorly, if you believe that that's written in the DNA in some way or another, then you have no responsibility and things can stay the way they are.
Their view is, harking back to survival of the fittest, the market should determine whether or not people, for example, survive.
There is no more food at this time. You can come back next Monday at 2 o'clock.
And this is America. That is not the way that our society should work. This is not the way science should work.
We need to be aware of what was done in the name of science, and specifically in the name of genetics.
This social worker will come in and say, I want this person sterilized. And boom, they stamped it and that was that. They went inside of me and sterilized me without my knowledge. Because I was Black, poor.
We're back to blood as a determination of character. We've learned nothing from the Holocaust, nothing from Darfur, nothing from the emergent capacity of evil that people do to each other on the grounds of someone being different from them by birth. So that person is not only talking biological nonsense, he's talking dangerous biological nonsense.